Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a sitemap in Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and to add a sitemap, simply click on Sitemaps from this left menu. And here, fill in your sitemap URL. This is a website of mine built using Hostinger Website Builder, and the sitemap URL is simply sitemap.xml. And this is my sitemap page. Same thing for WordPress. This is a website made using WordPress. Just go to sitemap.xml, and this is my XML page. Here you don't need to fully copy this link, simply this part. Click on copy. Now head back to sitemap. Now paste it here and hit submit. Wait a moment. As you can see, my sitemap was submitted successfully. Click on dismiss. If your sitemap status here does not show success in green, just refresh this page or give it a moment. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.